What is up, everybody? This is Jason once again with Flex Lawn Care Service, here to give you a pretty fun video today. So what I have here is I actually have a Stetson hat box that has a Stetson hat in it that I was going to use for doing my lawn care. Now, it's very important when you're doing lawn care, especially when the summer months and the spring months come along, to make sure that you have adequate protection for your body. And one of those things is that for protection, I want to make sure that my, my face, my head, all that kind of stuff are properly protected from the sun's rays. And in here we have I bought a straw hat. I've always kind of wanted a Stetson hat. They're really good quality. They're pretty well known, and I really like the look of this one. So what we'll do is we'll actually do an unboxing, and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll show you the hat that I will, be wearing for my upcoming lawn job. So let's go ahead and let's unbox it. All right, so here we have the Stetson box. Should be a pretty straightforward open. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I'm gonna open it with my key right along here. Maybe it won't be as easy as I thought it would be with the key, but here we go. We got one side open. Let's go ahead and do it this way. All right. Look at that, everyone. Look at how beautiful this looks. I mean, already looking at it, you can see the Stetson logo and everything on it. And here we go. Take a look at this right here. It's got this look to it right here. And actually, it was supposed to have this around it as well. So I'll go ahead and I'll put that on. But this is what the hat looks like for the most part. It's made out of straw so that it ventilates in the heat, and also it has a sweatband right here that'll catch the sweat as I'm wearing it. So let's go ahead and let's try it on. All right, so here's the hat. I put the nice little, I think it was described as a Southwest design on it. I think that's gonna look really good when I'm out and about doing lawn care and everything. Again, here's the Stetson logo on the bottom. I think it looks really nice. So I'm actually gonna tie this part off because it looks like it was loosened a little bit. So give me a second there. All right, tied this part up, and now the moment of truth. It fits really nice. This is an extra large. I wear a 7.5 in fitted caps, and so I looked at the measuring guide, and it said I was an extra large. I was kind of nervous in getting the extra large, but what I did was I figured, it's better to have a larger cap than a smaller one, and I'm glad I did that. This is nice and snug. It fits nice and snug on my head, and that's what it looks like right here. So give you an angle. So again, the reason why I bought this one is because it's straw. You can see it's kind of the air will pass through it as I sweat, and I do sweat a lot when it's really hot out. When I'm doing the yard work, it's actually going to ventilate up through here, and there's a nice sweat band in this right here that's going to collect the sweat, and then of course this wide brim is going to provide shade for my face, probably actually my back as well, and protect me from the sun. And I kind of like the I was going to go for white, but they had it out of stock, so I got sand. I'm actually kind of happy I did this. I think it does go with my Flex lawn care stuff. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this hat. It feels nice. You can tell that it's nice quality and everything. And if you're doing lawn care, I think you'd look good doing this with lawn care and everything. I'll give you some videos of me working with it. I can probably give a better review once I've actually done some work in it. But I think that this is a win. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Have a good one, guys. See ya.